my channel. Thank you guys so much for deciding to click on this video. I'm so happy to see y'all, and I'm so excited because I got a new wig. Okay. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please make sure you click subscribe, sis. I would love to have you join my queendom, and make sure that you stay tuned for this greatness that's about to happen. So today I'm giving you a wig review, but I can't even start on her until I tell you about this wig I got on my head. So this wig that I'm wearing right now is by Bobbi. This is Vera MLF. Let me check, sis, because these numbers be getting me off sometimes. MLF 183 Vera. Okay, this wig is popping. So if you want to know about this wig, watch this review first, okay? Then go back to my channel and watch the last video that I uploaded, which is this beautiful thing right here on my head. Okay, so the wig that we're going to talk about today is by ZURY SIS Sister Wigs, okay? And this is the Beyond Your Imagination, and baby, this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, she's so pretty. This is Beyon, like Beyonce, but not the say. Beyon, okay? I got it in the color 1B, and this is 40 inches of beautiful. So let's just unpack her, okay? So I saw this unit online, and I saw it when it was like coming soon, and I was like, oh my gosh, 40 inches, like I don't know if I can do it. But you know, I'm always up to the challenge. So this is what we're looking like once I open it. The tag, I'll go ahead and show you that. This is the tag, and now the color that she's wearing, I did not get. I actually got the 1B, but this is how long this thing is. Okay, so I'm going to be inserting some videos so you guys can see how long it really is. But this is the BYD Lace H Beyon, B-E-Y-O-N. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just take it out the pack. So they've got it like folded up, which makes sense because it's 40 inches long. So I'm just going to ease this out. Looks, oh my god. Okay, first of all, this wig is so soft. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my god, I can't even. Oh, and I'm 6'2". Okay, so this is a lace front unit. So this is what the parting is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace and let you ladies see. All right, let me just go ahead and show you guys the cap construction. So this is the parting space. Once again, this is the extra long 40 inch. These are the two combs right outside the parting, okay? This looks like it's definitely going to be big head friendly. Vera looked small, but it was actually big head friendly. We've got one comb in the back and adjustable straps, and that is all this cap is showing me right now. So pretty standard cap. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Also wanted to note that it does have baby hairs, and the parting is like spectacular. I added concealer. So this is what Beyon is looking like straight out the pack. She does come with baby hairs, so I'm going to just go ahead and try and pull those out and lay them down. This wig is not as thick as I thought it was going to be. At first when I saw it online, I was just like, oh child, I don't know if I could do this. But I actually saw a YouTuber who's an awesome wig reviewer. Her name is Miss Joey. Hey, Miss Joey. She was the first person I saw review Beyon, and she had it in the blonde color. And so when I saw her review, I was like, okay, you know, I might be able to make something work, but I can't pull off blonde like her because it looks good on her. Me, I'd be looking crazy, okay? So I just went on and got the 1B. This is the volume for half of it. Like, I thought it would be a lot thicker, but I'm happy it's not because, I mean, it's getting warm where I'm at, and that would probably be like super duper hot. So let me just give you some specs, child. I got to stand up. I got to stand up because this is crazy. Okay, so I'm 6'2", right? All right. The wig goes to past my waist, child. It's so pretty though. I like this wave pattern that it's got going on. Like, this is giving me like summertime fine. I feel like I'm about to be in a Drake video on the beach. Like, what? So I'm liking it. I am gonna style it real quick, let you guys see a few styles, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and give you that 360. All right, queens, I have styled my space buns. This is Chun-Li inspired, Nicki Minaj inspired. I am so impressed with this wig by ZURY SIS. It's like the perfect mixture of the texture of the hair, the feel, how thick it is. It's not going to be too hot for this summer. Thank you for watching, queens. I'll see you in the next video.